Here is a really cool program in Python that solves ODE symbolically, because this is the way you will solve ODE once this course is done. So let's try to solve t squared y prime plus 2ty equals cosine of t, but with Python. So you just open up your Python console, and the first thing you want to do is import the multiplication sign. It's called simpy. Import star, and then you have your t symbol. So t is symbols t, and then y is function. Those are just your variables. Click on play, and again, make sure this star becomes a number, and then you have your differential equation, which is really t squared y prime. So double star is squared, and then differentiate with respect to t plus 2ty of t. We have it equals cosine of t, but that's the same as minus cosine t equals 0. So you put everything on the left-hand side, make it 0. That's your differential equation. And then the magic that makes everything work is what's called the dsolve app. So dsolve differential equation y of t, and then you can print the solution. And what it will give you, hopefully, is the solution, which is, in fact, c plus sine of t over t squared. So once again, DEQ is the ODE. Make sure to write it in the form equals 0. Double star means square, and dsolve is that beautiful program that solves it. Prints the solution. And by the way, to write things like e to the 2t, you have to use exponential. So x2 times t is exponential. Okay, now let's do something with initial conditions. So here's the next problem. So t times y prime plus t plus 1y equals 2te to the minus t with initial condition y of 1 equals 2. So let's just open a new notebook. So same start as before. So from simpy, import star, t is symbols, t, y is function, y, and then have that. Then you have your differential equation, t times diff y of t plus t plus 1 times y of t. And then again, put everything on the left-hand side, minus 2 times t times e to the minus t. And again, solve it. Same thing as before. Dsolve y of differential equation, or function. And to add an initial condition, you add this ICS, which means y of 1 equals 2. And again, you print solution. This will work. Yes. So the solution here really is, if you want, a t plus minus 1 plus 2e over t, and then times e to the minus g. And last but not least, we can even plot solutions. So let's plot the solution of this differential equation. Again, same thing as before. Let's open up another notebook. So again, from simpy, import star. Again. And now we need to import the plotter. So matplotlib, import pyplot as plt. Wait for it. Yeah, okay, perfect. And then we have the symbols. Independent variable, and then a dependent variable. We have that. And then our differential equation. So in this case, minus y of t squared and then minus 2t y of t plus 3 plus t squared, and then differentiate, so y prime, y of t, and then plus, yes, oh, with respect to t. And then you do use dsolve, so y solution is dsolve, differential equation, y of t, initial conditions, y of 0 is 1, and then you print it, if you like. And for plotting, what you do, you plot. That's the function plotting. Y solution, don't forget about the dot right-hand side, otherwise it gives you an error message. And then let's say t for minus 5 to 5, and y from minus 20 to 20. And hopefully that will work. So you see, it tells you the solution is t squared plus 3 over 3 minus t. And more importantly, it gives you that beautiful plot here.